So this week's word of the week for week number 23 is AMRAP. Now AMRAP is an abbreviation for as many reps as possible. Now some of you guys are thinking, what is a rep? Well, a rep is a try or an attempt at an exercise. So let's say it was push-ups. I want you to do as many push-ups as you can in 1 minute, and you would go down and do as many push-ups as you can in 1 minute. So that's as many reps as possible. All right, so make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, skaters. Exercise number 2, squat jumps. Exercise number 3, we have Russian twist. Exercise number 4, invisible jump ropes. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 23. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have skaters. So I'm gonna go and start on my left side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to leap to my right. So when I leap to the right, I'm gonna have my back leg go behind me, okay? So it looks like this. So I'm gonna leap, back leg behind me, and then if I go to the right, I must go back to the left. So I'm gonna leap, back foot goes to the right. Okay, so you're gonna go back and forth doing those skaters. Exercise number 2, we have squat jumps. So I'm gonna go feet shoulder width apart. My shoulders and my feet should be aligned like I'm in a box. I'm gonna drop my bottom down and then I'm gonna explode up, down and up, okay? If you wanna make it a little more challenging, you can hold that squat for 1, 2, and then explode up as well, okay? Exercise number 3, we're gonna go on down to our bottoms. We're gonna do some Russian twist. So we're gonna hold our feet 6 inches off the ground, slightly elevate our torso, and we're gonna pretend we're like kayaking in a boat. We're gonna go side to side, okay? Just go side to side. And the last one, last exercise, exercise number 4, we're gonna do invisible jump ropes. So we can start with our feet together and just do basic single hops, or we can do double unders, pretend to be spinning it quicker. We can even do single leg hops, okay? Completely up to you, whatever your imagination as you do, okay? So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout and we'll get started in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Skaters, side to side. Remember, leap, side to side. Use those arms to cross over. If you want to really challenge yourself, try touching the floor or your ankles. Completely up to your level, my friends. You need to step it out, you can do that as well. You can step it. Whatever you guys, again, whatever your level is, just do your best. Let's go, work hard. From the bottom, just finished, my friends. All right, last one, let's go. Squat jumps, feet shoulders apart, and drop, and explode. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, hold that squat for 2 seconds, and then explode. Doing great, my friends. Keep it up. All right. Put in the work, my friends. Let's go. Challenge yourself. All right, going down. We got Russian twist. Remember, elevate your feet. Slightly bring up your torso. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Tap. Side to side. Make sure you focus on your breathing. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Ten seconds left, my friends. Keep going. All right, on your feet. Last one, invisible jump ropes, let's go. Start with those basic hops. Try a couple double unders. Maybe some single hops, single leg. Maybe you guys want to do some crisscrosses. Finish it strong, let's go. And time, all right. Round one is done. 1 minute rest, my friends. Great job. So far, we're halfway through the workout. Make sure you guys get some water, stay hydrated. Get ready to go for round two. Put in your maximum effort. Second round. Now let you guys know what exercises you're doing. Get ready to go, step it up to the next level. Turn that notch up. Challenge yourself a little bit more. You got it, my friends. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in. Out. All right, keep up the great work, my friends. We are 10 seconds away from starting round two. Here we go. Get ready to go, my friends. All right, so I'll start on my right side first. Here we go. Round two, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Leap side to side, my friends. Let's go. And jump yourself. Touch that ankle. Let's go. If you have a towel, jump over the towel side to side. How far can you leap forward? Let's go. Work hard, my friends. You're doing great. Last round, give it everything you got. Remember, fast five, only 5 minutes. You gotta put in maximum effort. 5 minutes, my friends. All right, squat jumps. Down and explode. Great job, let's go. Put in the work. Alright, head on down, Russian twist. 2 more left, my friends, let's go. Just finished. 3, 2, 1, go. Try picking up the speed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, let's go. Invisible jump ropes. Go. How many can you do in 30 seconds? Let's go. Try some reverse. Everything you got, let's go. Finish strong. And time. Awesome job, my friends. You guys already know the drill. High five. All right, here's a virtual fist bump. Pat yourself on the back. Great job, my friend. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 23. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your favorite exercise? What was your most challenging exercise? Drop a comment down below. And if you've not done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts. If you're into just getting into the workouts, check out that YouTube channel. I will still continue to post here on the ThePESpot, but it will also be on my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts. So please, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a fun game called Tabletop Curling. You only need a few items, so make sure you guys stay tuned. For this activity, you're only going to need a few household items. You're going to need a cup, some blue tape, a tape roll, and a ping pong ball or a ball that will roll. Those are the only items you'll need, as well as a table somewhere flat that you can slide and attach the cup to. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your ping pong ball or bouncy ball and you're going to put it inside of the tape roll. Keep it flat on the floor. And what you need to do is you're going to have to roll your tape to the other side and make it inside of the cup. That seems pretty simple, but it's actually going to be very difficult because you got to align the ball to roll with the tape and drop off the ball. All right, so Jordan's going to go ahead and slide his tape roll and his ping pong ball, and hopefully it lands right over my cup and drops the ball in. If he does, he's going to get 5 points for his team. Now he has to really think about using a strategy that's going to help him get that ball into this cup. So get started, Jordan. Okay, no points awarded. I'm going to get my tape roll. Do the same thing, nice and easy. Not enough straight. Jordan's going to go. Jordan made it in. He gets 5 points for his team. Now it's going to be our turn. A little bit harder this time. Not quite. Well, if I make it, let me try this tape one. Tape roll. Well, try to put this angle here. Not quite. Very close, but not quite.
No, you made it.
Oh, I did make it. Great. So I get 5 points for my team. Jordan has 5 points. This is called Tabletop Chrome. I hope you enjoy this game. Until next time.